Now, I am here with Dr. Michael Urig, the president of Arizona OBGYN Affiliates, the largest OBGYN medical practice in the state, talking about how AOA is raising the bar in women's health care. Good morning. It's good to see you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. First, tell us why the AOA was established.
Well, about 5 years ago, a group of doctors well known to each other came together and said, you know, we want to do things better. You know, I think that we're off in our own practices and we think we're doing things pretty well. And we decided, you know, we need to bring things together and really make good decisions based on what we call evidence-based medicine. There's a lot of different ways to do things, and we want to, it's been known that if you reduce variation and you follow evidence-based medicine, you save costs and you improve care. And so we came up with that idea as kind of our founding idea. And I think that along with that, coming together as a larger group, you have a lot of these ideas that come together, but also economies of scale in terms of being larger so that you can deal better with health insurers to cut the cost down for patients and for everybody alike.
So is that how you all work together? You kind of meet and discuss these ways to help?
Well, we have we have a board that meets once a month, and we go over how we're doing things and how we can do things better, how we can improve care. We have practice managers, branch managers that really look at best practices. So we really want to make it so it's a great experience from the time a patient calls to come into our office, all the way through the process of being treated, so that things are very similar in each of the branches. They get a great experience. They feel like it's really individualized. And so we feel like if we're bringing all those ideas together, we have a better chance of doing that. So.
And the AOA has delivered 60,000 babies. How did you get to that point? That's
well, I think
quite a few.
I think some of us have been around for a while, but that's just it. We have established practices that came together and very well known. I've always believed that really the best way to get the word out or to help people in terms of their care is just word of mouth. And so it just started off many, many years ago, and we realized that there were groups that really had the same vision as we did. So we wanted to come together, grow, provide that, come together in all ways. So we have electronic health records that are all transferable so that it's easy to go from one place to the other. We're represented throughout the valley, that kind of thing.
Very important. It seems like you really are focusing on making that patient feel important. And people can see different stories from different patients, right? Yes.
I mean, one of the things we want to do is get the word out. We have things on Facebook. We have our Facebook page, AOA Family. We have our website. We also have patient stories that we've actually had that can tell their story, how they've gone through our practice and the experiences that they've had.
So now, where are the offices located, and can we go to all of them?
We're throughout the whole valley, with the hopes of expanding even further. We really want people to be able to find a branch that's close to them.
Sure.
So we're in Central Phoenix, we're in Paradise Valley and Scottsdale, out in the West Valley, even down into Casa Grande. So we're really represented throughout the valley.
Yeah, and I noticed some of the pictures here, the offices, very unique, very different, very welcoming. Makes your time there while you're waiting, whether you're waiting with some kids or your husband, very comforting. And
right. So, you know, the idea we don't want people to have is because we're getting big that it's just going to be people corralled in. It isn't anything like that. People have their individualized experience, but we want to use the experience in each of our branches to say, okay, this is the best way to do it. This is where we really please patients and bring them in. Very
important. Very important. Great idea, too. So the best way to get in touch with a doctor, if you're looking for a doctor, is to obviously go to your website or Facebook page.
The Facebook page, the website is AOAfamily.com. We have a toll-free number, which is 855-AZ-OBGYN, so that people can look up the different branches, physicians that are close to them, see what we can offer them. We really want each branch to be just one-stop destination, so people can come in. We have our own laboratories, we have our own ultrasounds, and people can get things done in one place. We don't have to send many women out for any other types of procedures.
That's very convenient, especially when time is of the essence, when you have 3 kids running around.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Dr. Urig. Really good information there. So if you would like more on Arizona OBGYN Affiliates, you can go to their website. There it is, AOAfamily.com, and there is the phone number right there on your screen.